Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entri. I am Ibps, your quant educator, and today I am going to discuss some important exam dates regarding your IBPS examination. Alright, what could be the dates and how you are going to plan it, we will discuss it in this video. Alright, remember one thing, your planning has to be spot on, otherwise you will not be able to race with the aspirants, because there are lots of aspirants available for IBPS examination. And you should know that only those candidates who have organized themselves very well can get themselves out of the examination. Alright, so you should know some things, you should know how to plan things. That's all depends when you start using exam dates, as you should keep this in your mind. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's see what the exam dates. First, you should know that your first examination is an RRB examination. Okay, RRB, IBPS RRB examination. As you know that couple of days before, we have got a notification from IBPS which says that the 12th and 13th examination was postponed. But when they suddenly came out in the next day and announced the admit card, it shows that the examination will start from 12th of September. So one thing you should remember, that you have to plan accordingly to the dates given in the tentative form of the IBPS calendar, because IBPS is a professional organization. All right, and you should know that when they have decided to conduct this kind of examination on a particular date, they will conduct it on the particular date. You should remember one thing. Okay, so these are the dates. One you should know, from 12th it will go 13, 19, 20, 26 of September, and the mains exam will definitely be in October. That means in my opinion it will go to the last day of the October. It has been given as 10 and 31, but I believe it will shift. Okay, but you should know that you will be getting only of 1 month, to prepare for mains exam. So start preparing after just giving the prelims examination, if you know that you can clear this prelims examination. All right, so here is the important dates which the notification is out at that time. Look at this, 30th June was the date where IBPS RRB has announced its notification. Okay, and it is started from 1st July and the last date was 21st July. So that date has passed, so we don't have to look at these dates. Now what we can do is, we have to look at the examination dates, which has started from 12th and goes to 26th, and the result of preliminary examination will definitely become in the next month, which is in October, and the mains admit card date will be also announced in October. You should know that mains examination will also be held in October. It is given an 18th October. You should take it as it is. Okay, so it has given as 18th of October, and office assistants mains exam will be conducted in 31st of October. Okay, because the level of the examination for assistant as well as for PO will be of different one. You should know that assistants cutoff will go higher than the officers cutoff. Okay, provisional allotment will be announced soon. As you know that the examination dates are shrinked. Okay, for mains as well as for prelims. Okay, that means your provisional allotment, that means your allotment for the seats will definitely go in hurry. So you should know that it will sort out by the next year. Okay, by the starting of the next year. So these are the exam dates and all the important dates related to IBPS RRB examination. Let's go ahead and discuss about the IBPS clerk examination dates. As you know that the notification is announced on September 1st and application starts from September 2 and the last date will be 23rd. So there is still a time for the aspirants who can fill the examination. Choose your center wisely, because seats are limited and it is 1557. Okay, 1557, approximately 1600 seats are there for all the states. Now, pre-examination training, that is PET training, which will be applicable for only SC, ST and minority communities, which will announce its call letter for pre-exam training, which is on 17th November. And IBPS Clerk online pre-exam training will be held in 23 to 28. It can be postponed, as it is written in the notification that due to the pandemic situation it can be postponed, because the priority is to conduct an examination. So examination conduction will be the priority, and I believe training can be given to online if it is possible. If it doesn't, IBPS has already cleared that this pre-examination training can be postponed, so you should be aware of that. Okay, but keep this date in your mind that you can go to the various center of the pre-examination training for the pre-examination training for 5 days. Here, conduct of online examination, it will start from 5th of December and goes to 13th of December. There will be 3 dates, 5th, 12th and 13th of December for preliminary examination for IBPS Clerk. Now, result will be declared in the New Year Eve. Okay, New Year Eve, that is 31st of December. Okay, you should know that. Let's hope your New Year will be a good one. Download call letter for mains examination 12th of January, and mains exam will be conducted on 24th of January, and the allotment will be of 1st April 2021. So these are the important dates for IBPS Clerk examination. Okay, let's go ahead and watch the IBPS PO examination dates. Notification was out on 4th of August, started from 5th, and the last date was 26th. So this last date has passed on. That means you have been left for only your call letter. Okay, and pre-examination training will be held in September. It can be postponed due to looking at the pandemic situation. Okay, admit card will be released on October. The date hasn't been given, but I will definitely sure that it will be in between the result announcement of IBPS, the result announcement of RRB examination and the mains examination. So prelims examination date of IBPS PO will be 3rd of October, 10th of October and 11th of October. So in mid-October, examination will be conducted, that is preliminary examination will be conducted for IBPS PO. Remember one thing, IBPS PO result will also come out in October, and 28th of November will be the mains exam dates. So you should know that. All right, and result will come on December 2020, while the interview for the mains aspirant, for those aspirants who have cleared the mains exam, will be conducted in January and February 2021. Okay, so it has not updated 2021. Remember one thing. And allotment will again be on 1st April 2021. So you should know that. Alright, so guys, that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed this session, and if you like it, share, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, thank you, be safe and be prepared for your examination. Thank you.